Now that we're all set, let's go on a mission. To land, make sure the drone is above a flat surface and press the landing button. Normal mode is activated by default and is the easiest mode to pilot with. To move the mini drone, just maintain your right thumb on the joystick and tilt the smartphone forwards, backwards, left, or right. It's very simple and very intuitive. To rotate the mini drone, slide your left thumb to the left, or to the right. You can also make fast 90-degree and 180-degree turns by swiping your thumb on the right cross. To raise the mini drone, slide your thumb up or down on the joystick located on the left-hand side of the screen. You can limit the maximum altitude of any airborne drone. The drone will automatically stop when it reaches the chosen altitude. In the settings, the max inclination option lets you set the maximum angle of inclination. This setting affects the acceleration, so the higher you set the inclination or the tilt, the faster the mini drone will go. In the settings menu of the FreeFlight 3 app, you can change the maximum rotation speed. For more tips, subscribe to our channel.